Welcome. Today I'm going to tell you about Xena, the Ethernet Test Platform from Teledyne LaCroix.
Ethernet is now the de facto networking technology for the internet, industry, and data centers. Since it was launched in 1980, the top speed has increased from 10 megabits to a whopping 800 gigabits per second. Looking forward, analysts predict that top speed will go up to 1.6 and then 3.2 terabits per second before 2030. Each time that top speed goes up, a high-stakes race is on to develop network equipment that can handle the new speeds. And Xena is one of the very few test solutions in the world that can help vendors win that race. The Xena platform consists of a dozen Ethernet traffic generators and a network emulation module. The traffic generators are divided into 4 categories, named after Nordic gods, depending on which Certus they support. There are 7 versions of Odin for testing up to 10 gigabits per second, 1 Loki that can test up to 100 gig, Thor, which can test up to 400 gig, and 2 versions of Freya, which can test up to 800 gigabits per second. The network emulation module, which is called Chimera, is used to impair Ethernet traffic at full wire speed right up to 100 gigs per second, making it easy to emulate real-world conditions in the lab. The Xena test modules can either be installed in our big 12-slot modular chassis or individually in the easy-to-transport compact chassis. Bundled with the hardware is a package of software. The main app, Xena Manager, is used to control every aspect of the hardware and the Ethernet traffic that you want to generate and analyze. Plus, there are 4 test suites for doing standard RFC testing: Xena 2544, Xena 2889, Xena 3918, and Xena 1564. Finally, there are comprehensive automation and scripting options that we call Xena Open Automation, which is an open source framework with a Python API.
All the Xena software is free of charge for the first 3 years and frequently updated with new features and improvements. This is part of our famous Xena Value Pack, which also includes 3 years hardware warranty, plus free tech training and email support for the product lifetime. Together, this helps make Xena the industry's most cost-effective test platform for Ethernet traffic generation, network emulation, and physical layer testing.